Good afternoon, students and teachers. This screencast is going to demonstrate how to register for the upcoming school year. So I'm going to walk through step by step on how to complete the steps, and hopefully at the end of this everyone will be able to register for their classes. So the first thing that I am going to do is go to Google, and I am going to Google PowerSchool student login, and that is going to give me a list. The site that I am looking for is this one right here, NC Ed Cloud Login, NC Education Cloud. The other thing that you could do is go to the direct link, my.ncedcloud.org. Again, here is the direct link, so you're certainly able to go there. And now I'm going to press enter, and that's going to bring me to this login screen. My username is my PowerSchool ID number, and of course your password is whatever you decided your password to be. Once you enter that, you are going to press go, and that will bring you to this screen right here. So underneath this screen, what I'm going to do is go to this icon right here, PowerSchool Student LEA49. I am going to press enter on that screen. As you can see, press enter on it, and it is going to bring me to a screen that looks like this. Most likely your grades are going to be located right here. So to get exactly to the screen I'm on, you're going to go over here to class registration. So you click class registration, and that will bring you to this screen. So now what I can see is I have a red exclamation point. That means that I have to pick a class here. You can see need to select additional course. So I am going to press the pencil, and that is going to bring me up a list here. So I'm under a senior student. So they have the option of AP English Lit, English 4, or English 4 Honors. If you are a junior, this would be AP English 3, English 3 and English 3 Honors. English, if you're a sophomore, English 2, English 2 Honors, and of course freshman, English 1 or English 1 Honors. So you select whichever one you want. So you can see I tried to select 2, and it says I may only select one course. I have selected 2, so I'm going to select English 4. Once I press OK, it goes from a red exclamation point to a green check mark, and right here tells me exactly what I picked. If I made a mistake, I simply click the pencil again, and now I can select and deselect and press OK, and you can see it's now the AP course. As a senior, they're required to take ethics and multimedia, so I am going to select it. It's going to be a year long. You'll do a semester of ethics, a semester of multimedia, so I'm going to select it. Now I can press OK, and as you can see, it's a green check mark. Same thing with social studies. I'm going to select the social studies, and let's say I select AP Psychology. I change my mind, simply unselect Supreme Court cases. Okay? Now again, Supreme Court cases. World language. Since I'm a senior, I may have already met my requirements for world language, hence the green check mark, but let's say I do want to take one. I want to take Spanish 3 my senior year, so I am going to select there. Health and physical education, again, I may have met my graduation requirements, hence the green check, but I want to take one, so I'm going to take weight training or health and PE, so weight training. So again, it populates there. Optional study hall, I would like to take at least one study hall, so I want to indicate that I want to take a study hall. Math, I need to take a 4th math class, so I want to select a math class. Let's say I'm going to select AP Calculus, enter, and again AP Calc Science. I may not need to take a science, but I want to take one. Let's say that, the course I want is not on this screen, but again, notice down here, there's a 1 and a 2, so I can either hit 2 or hit next, and that brings these up. Let's say I want to do physical science, so I'm going to press OK on physical science. STEM, I can select a STEM course, or again, because it's already a green check mark, means that I do not have to select one because I can requesting up to one course. So again, on STEM, not project lead the way, let's say I want to select computer 3D modeling. I'm going to press OK there. And finally, the alternatives. The alternatives are going to allow me to say that if I selected a fine arts. So I'm going to go up to fine arts. I didn't select one. Let me pick one. Again, what I want is not there. Go to next and go to next to see that I want to sign up for, let's say, sculpture 2. So I want to make sure that I look through all the different numbers to be able to see. But the alternatives down here are in case 3D modeling, physical science, sculpture 2. Let's say one of those classes don't work in my schedule. And if that's the case, I want to be able to have some sort of alternative. So this is a list of a whole bunch of different classes so that if I know that sculpture 2 isn't available, let's say that I decide that I want to sign up for, I don't know, Theater 3 costume design. So I'm going to select OK there. And I can select up to 2 alternatives. So I'm going to select a second one. And let's say I'm going to go to chemistry. And I'm going to select OK. Now I have too many credits. I am at 10.5 credits. So let's say now that I decide that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 classes. I can't take 9 classes in my day. We only have 8 periods a day. So I'm going to decide that this is required, this is required. I need a 4th social studies, Spanish, weight training. Let's say that I'm going to decide that it's hard to decide which one to get rid of, but let's say that I decide that I am going to eliminate weight training. So again, I just click the edit button, select weight training, OK. And now I am good to submit. I am going to submit. And you can see that, again, I'm under a particular student, but now here is a list of all of the classes that I selected. So again, I look over these. Oh, Sculpture 2, I really wanted to take Sculpture 1. I need to fix that. Again, click Class Registration. Go down here to Sculpture 2. I am going to edit it. So I am going to select Sculpture 1 instead. Press OK. Again, press Submit. And we can see that here are my classes that I requested, with these 2 being my electives. Basically, they're going to be my alternates, with the other ones being required. So hopefully this podcast was helpful and it showed you exactly how to register. If you have any questions, please ask your teacher, ask your counselor, and you are certainly welcome to ask Miss Reuter or myself. We will be happy to help you. Again, we're going to register on Thursday during 5th block. As you can see, if you're prepared, it should not take a lot of time. Thank you very much. Have a great day.